So cow eyes are incredibly interesting to dissect. We can just start with that. And it's a great example of how well God designed our systems. And it also, because there's a lot of correlation between a cow eye and a human eye, we can even learn a lot about how our eye is designed by exploring this cow eye. Cow eyes are also relatively easy to get a hold of in most places, which may surprise people, but your local butcher, if you have a meat market in town, they probably have a few on hand because they don't get rid of them as easily as some other cuts of meat.
I imagine. So viewers are encouraged to go grab a cow eye for themselves.
Well, if they don't want to order it through a company, you can. You can access them fairly easily. But the seeing eye is one of the most incredible designs in God's creation. And so it gives us a good entryway into that. We can dissect animals and some other things, but because this is more of a human biology class, that's one dissection that gives us a strong correlation.